Okay, Mazda 5. Here we go. Today, front stabilizer link here. If you look closely, let me see if I can turn this. It's cracked. So it's got the original. This is the original stabilizer link. Over 120,000 miles. So I'm gonna change these out. It's pretty easy. Let's see. 14 here, nut, and then you stick an Allen in the middle so it doesn't spin. You take that out. Probably take the bottom out first and then do the top, and then you put your new one in. So let's get started. Get yourself an Allen key. Stick it right in the middle. Then you should be able to take this off. Ah! Ah! Woo! Karate! Ah! Karate power. Let's see. Okay. Let's get that nut off there. We'll just leave it on there temporarily. Let's get the top one out. We already took out the bottom. Let's go ahead and take out the top. I think I'm gonna. Can I remove this temporarily? Yeah, let's move that out the way so I don't damage it. Yeah. Take this out. Okay. Take this nut out. Put that in a safe place. Top here. Okay, move that out the way. This is the where you mount that wire I took off. This is a little mount right here. So remember the orientation, okay? Put that down. Okay, push out your end link here, or your stabilizer link. And I didn't take out the bottom nut. I didn't take out the bottom nut. There. Slide it out. And there it is. Cool. Let's go do a little comparison side by side versus the new one that I got. So this is my old one. As you can see, okay, it's got some movements. Cool. I mean, maybe it shouldn't move that easily. Here's the other side. See, it's cracked open. 120,000 miles. Looks pretty clean inside, actually. It's pretty. No dirt got in there, so that's good. Yeah. If the boot didn't rip, it still would have been good, but I think that's a lot of movement though. Let me see. And it still feels okay. Anyways, I already got the new ones. Moog. Here we go. Here we go. Let's open this up. I don't know if there's a part number on this. Oh, that's probably the part number there. You see that K80235. That's what I'm putting in for the 13 Mazda 5 2013. So here is the new one. Okay. You guys know who Moog is. They're a popular brand for suspension. Here's the comes with a Zerk fitting. So you can grease these. So these are greasable, okay, serviceable. So you can add grease later on both ends. It's good. I feel solid here. So I do have a grease gun. So after I install this, I may just grease it up just a little bit. Okay. But yeah, that's it. This is compared to the original one. Make sure it's the same length. Yep. Okay, here we go. Let's put it in. So go ahead, put the new one in, put the bottom one in, like so. Bango. Okay, so that, and then the nut. So you put the nut back on. So you're gonna have to get an adjustable wrench, put it on the back side here, so that when you're tightening this, it won't spin on you. Okay, so it should be right there. Okay. Okay, and let's torque that down. 40 pounds. Let's try that again, just to confirm. I didn't like how that sounded. Okay, yep, that's confirmed. So 40 pounds there. Take off. Oh, let's put this back in because I took it out earlier. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and tighten up the bottom one. Same thing. Get your wrench on there. Bam. Tool. Let's tighten this up. Okay. The bottom one down. 40 pounds. Okay. Time to do the other side. Top, bottom, throw the nuts on there, torqued, do the top. Okay, that's it. Alright, cool, so that's the install there. Just double checking this side, making sure I put everything back. So get your wheels back on, torque your lugs down, 80 pounds, and take it for a test drive. So yeah, pretty cool. There it is there. I do have to change the outer tie rods though, because I don't know, let me see. The boot is starting to get old as well. Yeah, it's cracking right here, and I gotta turn this a bit. But yeah, that's it. Let me see. When you replace this, there we go. See, I gotta straighten it out a little bit. I think the last alignment they didn't really put this back to where it's supposed to be. But yeah, once you take this out and replace it with the other one, you're gonna have to do a alignment. But the stabilizer link, you're fine. You don't need to do alignment there. Yeah, so it looks good here. So yeah, all right, cool. So that's the install. Thank you for watching. I will have more Mazda 5 videos coming, just so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. So cool, that's the Mazda 5 video. Thanks.